Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, I have two beautiful vans here to work on today. This one over here is a van that I use for a bit of a workhorse, but I am going to build it out as a camper. And this one has just come in this morning to be built out for a customer. It's a beautiful van, exactly the same as my one actually. And I haven't done a van build for quite a while, so today I thought I would start a new van build video. They always seem to be very popular on YouTube. I haven't done a van build video for many years, and there's a good reason for that actually. But I'll explain that another time. So today we're going to fit out this beautiful Toyota Velfire. Well, it won't be done today, it'll be done over the next few days. So I'm going to show you some before and after shots and show you what I'm doing in the process. So hope you enjoy the video. So in this one, all the seats and all the floor rails have been taken out. So of course the first thing is to give a bit of a vacuum, a bit of a clean, and put the air breather pipe down through the floor for the wastewater. And then we have to start putting our floor in and then our vinyl covering. It's very important when you put the vinyl down that the floor is absolutely 100% clean. If there's even a little grit of sand in between the floor and the vinyl, with all the movement of the van, with people walking on it and whatever, it will eventually wear through and cause a hole in the vinyl. So any grit, any sand, any stones, anything, has got to be, the floor's got to be completely clean, okay, 100%. So that nothing cuts or wears through and causes a rip or a tear in the vinyl. Well, this is about the end of day one of the van build. But it's going to take a lot longer than one day, of course. It's been a long time. I've been actually in the workshop building the fittings. Over the last few weeks, we've had over 100 days lockdown, can't do any business. So I've been in the workshop building the furniture. I've built the fold-out beds, and I've been building cabinets and sinks and kitchens. So it's been a lot longer than one day to get to this point, I assure you. So it's basically one day of fitting everything into this van for my customer. Pretty happy with today's progress. It got really incredibly hot during the middle of the day, so I had to stop and have a bit of a siesta. And then after 5-6 o'clock it cooled down a little bit, so I came back out and I've been doing a little bit more. So I've got the bed in, the fold-out bed, I've got the side cabinet, the pantry in, and I've got the toilet wall in, the privacy wall for the toilet, and I've got the sink and tap and cabinet in with the fresh water and the wastewater containers. So good progress today. Tomorrow I will continue. I've got to do curtains, window covers. So we've got a nice floor down, we've got a nice vinyl. Under here we've got our house battery that runs our 600 watt inverter for our power. Got the bed here that folds out to a double for 2 people. Got the sink and tap up there, 25 litres of fresh water. 25 waist, and behind this privacy wall we have the toilet. Okay, still quite a bit to do, so we shall continue tomorrow. We'll pick it up then. But right now, I'm going in for a cup of tea and a bit of a rest. So every van comes with its own new scoop and brush, so you can do your housework every morning. Just give the vinyl and the floor a little bit of a brush and a sweep out. Only takes about 40 seconds, so it's pretty nice to know that you can do your housework. Everything's done in 40 seconds. You've got the rest of the day to relax, go swimming, fishing, bike riding, do whatever you want. But it always pays to keep your van nice and clean. Well, this is day 4 of the van build, but actually it's completely done. It's completely finished. Finished it late yesterday, and I'm just waiting for Peter to arrive. Looking forward to getting Peter's reaction when he sees it. And so I just thought I'd take this opportunity now just to show you around and show you what I've done. Now, this of course is the standard model for KVM. It is called the Sea Breeze, and it's the latest in a lineage of designs and layouts, and it's proving to be very, very popular indeed, and we're sticking with it for now. We are making little alterations and improvements as we go and develop it, and that's what it's like at KVM. We're constantly looking at ways we can upgrade and make improvements. So we've got the curtains that come across the back, we've got the 600 watt inverter with the house battery under there, we've got beautiful thick squabs here, really thick, and of course this folds out so it can sleep 2 people. Got the lovely vinyl floor covering there, heaps of storage underneath the bed, a lot of storage under there. Now, coming around here, you can see we have a lovely sink here and a chrome tap, pump tap with 25 litres of fresh water, 25 litres of waste or grey water, a 20 litre toilet down there. There's heaps of room. You just slide the seat forward when you want to use it, or when you're at your camping station, you're all set up. Slide the front seat right forward. Heaps of room there just to use the toilet. You can sit there, read the newspaper for hours.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. So, what was your first impression, Peter, when you saw it?
It looked as good as the video.
Yeah.
No, really exciting, and I think it'll be a great opportunity to see a bit more of our own country rather than wandering around the world too much.
Yeah. So you're really happy with it. Can I ask why you obviously bought the van? It's your van. You bought it with getting this sort of design and layout. Can I ask why you chose my design and layout?
Yeah, very specifically because I wanted the straight through access.
Yeah.
I don't like the vehicles where they're blocked off at the rear,
okay. Yeah,
and you can't use them to carry anything else. So that was very important to us.
Yeah.
And possibility of getting bikes in there as well.
Yeah. So it's a very practical sort of basic.
I think
sort of
so.
layout.
And you know, you've got a great design, great product, and certainly very nice to deal with. So thank you.
Excellent. All right.
So,
really nice to meet you, Peter.
Yeah.
This video is made possible by KVM, Freedom and Stealth Campervans, keeping your dream to be free right on track.
Open up your eyes, take a deep breath, soak it all in, it's right on your doorstep. Feel the natural beauty